This is the basement of my humble abode that I've converted into a research center where I do most of the design work and the software development. Of course, as you know, I have a place over at the university that I call my office. But this is where most of the brainstorming goes on throughout the night. I'm moving out of it so that I can do the distance run. The distance drive, the first one, is a test run that should be less than 15 or 20,000 kilometers. But the most important thing is that it will help me confirm my readings. I'll be doing data acquisition the entire drive. So I'm tearing all of this down and putting it in storage and moving out because I won't be here but maybe a couple of weeks during this entire 2024, 2024.